Morena and good morning from the corner shop. Misty grey old autumn day here this morning, but we've been out and picked some lavender already, make our little Miss Havisham bunches. I'll show you those a bit later on. Lots of things to do to get cleaned and tidied up. All of the Agapanthus heads need to be taken off. I use them in a lot of ways, so although a lot of people think they're a pest, for me they're a resource. And I've been out here in this fine misty rain just for a tiny bit, trimming round the bottom, or starting to trim round the bottom of the flaxes on the bank. These are, I'd say, these are decorative flaxes. These probably have been bred for their colour. They're not the great big green fabulous harakeke that is used in raranga weaving. I'll just show you, I have actually been doing something. Look, there's a little pile of the leaves or the fronds from the bottom of the flax, and because they've been there, even though I've trimmed them regularly, they have little bits that I can pull and plant around the property. And I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, but on that fence line up there, I've actually planted under the shelter belt some of the variegated yellow and green flax. I was hoping that the wind would move the tree, the branches on this tree, because these tiny little leaves, which you can see all over my very ordinary rural driveway, they were, when I came down, falling down just like snowflakes. They just looked amazing. But of course, in the time that I've been up and got the phone, it stopped, and now there's just the sound of the rain, the big drops of rain falling off the branches. Wherever you are, be safe. Arohanui Kia Kaha from the corner shop.